if the battery clamps are connected correctly. The TowerTop battery charger has a manual repair function to wake up the battery and resume charging. If the battery clamps are connected correctly, but the screen still shows "Please put the clamps on," and pressing the start button does nothing, this usually means the battery voltage is below 1 volt and can't be recognized by the charger. To fix this, press the recondition button. This will activate manual repair mode to bring the battery back to life. The charger enters a 10-second countdown. You can wait for it to finish, or press start button to begin repair immediately. The charger will now repair and activate the battery. This may take a few moments. Once the repair is complete, the screen will show "Repair completed." Return to the standby screen within 30 seconds. Show voltage and current, and start charging automatically.